Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world though.
원래 차 갖고 오는 게 아닌가 봐. 아,
이걸 같이 타고 왔어야 되는
그러니까 아침에 그런가 봐.
같이 예.
생각이 없어.
홍대 이번 주에 만났는데
날씨에 이 영상을 만나러 갈 만큼 가치가 있어야 될 텐데 생각을 했는데
추워서 그랬는지 제대로 그런지 모르겠는데 좀 얼굴이 굳어있어서 약간 차갑다?
잘 사는 집 아들 같기도 하고 약간 좀 따뜻하고 보인다고 해야 될까요?
참 인상이랑 다르게 따뜻한 느낌도 받았고
사랑하는 사람의 느낌이 들었고
Girlfriend, you got me smiling brighter each day. Stars are brighter, I feel lighter in every way. Girlfriend, there's no one like you when it comes to loving. Life is richer, lips are sweeter. Now listen, stay and let's figure out where to go and how about family, new history. Here I go, dreaming. You got me going wilder than wild. Girl, just seem smooth. The world is happier and less busy around us too. Girlfriend, just one look at you and I'm out of control.
언제 연애하나 결혼하나 이런 사소한 농담들이 현실이 되고 있다는 게 믿기지가 않아. 그나마 우리들 중 너라도 시집 가서 다행이다. 농담이고.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you.
Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me that I could have helped without fail. Actions speak louder than words, and that's a lesson that I learned all by myself.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. Like, la 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 la.
Feel it, baby, stress is all around us. These high ceilings and I need it, baby. Pressure it, make diamonds, I won't steal it, baby. Silent, baby, hurts to see you crying. Know you trying, ain't no lying, baby. When I say I need you, greedy if I have to share you. It was me that all along did you wrong, thinking that I made you beautiful and strong. This toxicity, the death of me, I fear the day you gone. The most beautiful girl I've ever known.
I'll find a way to treat you better. I swear there's no one out there like you. You teach me to be better. My talk is cheap, keep asking what I do. I'll fly you to the moon and hope I'll see you soon. I'll find a way to treat you better. No problem, I'll do whatever. Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the
읽을 거예요, 저. 형님도 안 웃어요. 자, 화이팅!
what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you.